Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to share my experience of giving the UK driving theory test where I scored 48 out of 50 in the multiple choice question and 62 out of 75 in hazard perception test. In this video I'll talk about how the test is taken, what happens at the test center, what you need to bring, how I prepared and what the next steps are after passing. But before I start, let me quickly talk about something very important: accommodation. If you are coming to the UK for studies, one of the biggest challenges is finding a safe and affordable place to stay. That's where Amber comes in. It's a trusted platform where you can compare verified student properties, check reviews, book online in just a few clicks, and even get a flexible payments in your own currency. I have left the Amber link in the description, so make sure to check it out if you are moving to the UK. Alright, now let's get into my UK theory test experience. So I gave my UK theory test recently and I scored 48 out of 50 in the multiple choice section and 62 out of 75 in the hazard perception test. For preparation, I used the official DVSA Theory Test Kit app for car drivers. It's really useful. It has over 770 practice questions, 36 hazard perception clips and 20 plus mock tests that look exactly like the real test. The app costs just £5 and I'll leave the download link in the description. Apart from the app, I also watched a few YouTube videos on road signs and some important questions. I'll add those video links in the description as well. One very important tip here is to make sure you know all the road signs and their meanings, because you will definitely get 3 to 4 questions on them. And honestly, don't worry about the passing marks. You need 43 out of 50 in the MCQs, and if you have practiced properly using the DVSA app, I can guarantee you won't fail. All the questions come from there itself. Now let's talk about what happens at the test center. I went 30 minutes before my appointment, but remember, entry is only allowed 15 minutes before your test. Once you go inside, a staff member will check your appointment details and give you a locker for your belongings. Don't bring large bags because the lockers are quite small, but a handbag is fine. The only document you need to bring is your provisional license. After that, they will take your photo and signature at reception. Then a team member will guide you into the exam area. Before entering, there is a small breakout room where they check if you have anything in your pockets. Then they explain the rules. Inside the exam room, there are multiple computers divided by barriers, so no one can see each other's screen. You will also get headphones if you want to use them. Before starting, you will see clear instructions on the screen about how to answer. For the MCQs, you get 50 minutes, but it usually takes around 20 minutes. I recommend spending 30 to 35 minutes reviewing everything carefully. After that, you move on to the hazard perception test, which takes about 15 minutes. You will watch 14 video clips, and in one of them there will be 2 hazards. The earlier you click when you spot the hazard, the more points you score. Once the test is over, you can collect your belongings and then wait to be called. They will give your results immediately. The whole process was smooth. I was a bit nervous, but honestly, because I practiced so much before, I felt confident on the day. So what happens after passing? Now that I have cleared my theory test, the next steps are to book driving lessons and then later book the practical driving test. I'll be making a video on those steps as well, so make sure you have subscribed to the channel if you want updates on my journey to getting a full UK driving license. I hope this video helped you understand what to expect in the UK theory test, from preparation to the test center process to getting your results. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more student and UK life tips. Also remember to check the description. I have added links to the DVSA app, road sign videos and of course Amber in case you are looking for student accommodation in the UK. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye guys.